Are you a real estate professional looking to hire a virtual assistant but unsure where to start? Let's dive into the transformative power of a real estate virtual assistant. Ariva can streamline operations and supercharge productivity, becoming an integral part of your real estate business. But to harness this power, you need to start with a well-crafted job description. This crucial step ensures a successful hiring process, setting the foundation for a fruitful partnership. As you embark on this journey, remember the key is preparation and understanding your specific business needs. When it comes to hiring, comprehension of your business needs is paramount. As you prepare to bring a real estate virtual assistant into your operations, it's crucial to map out the tasks they'll be handling. Start by identifying the essentials. Are there administrative tasks that are consuming your valuable time? Perhaps it's data entry, managing emails, or even scheduling appointments. These are all tasks that a competent virtual assistant can take off your plate. If you're new to outsourcing, it's wise to start small. Begin with the basic tasks, and as you become more comfortable with the process, you can delegate more complex tasks. Remember, a real estate virtual assistant can do more than just administration. They can handle property research, manage your social media, and even assist with customer service. So take the time to understand your business needs. Once you've identified these tasks, you're ready to create a comprehensive job description. Creating the job description is your next step towards finding the right virtual assistant for your real estate business. This isn't just about listing tasks. It's about painting a clear picture of the role, the responsibilities, and your expectations. Start by outlining the essential duties. These could range from basic administrative tasks like managing emails and scheduling appointments, to more specialized roles like handling social media or property listings. Next, detail the skills and qualifications required. Are you looking for someone with experience in customer service or a knack for digital marketing? Perhaps proficiency in certain software is a must. Make sure to specify these requirements. Now let's talk about crafting this job description. Tools like ChatGPT can be a real game changer here. By inputting specific tasks, ChatGPT can generate a comprehensive job description, saving you time and ensuring nothing important is missed. With a well-prepared job description, you're one step closer to hiring a virtual assistant who aligns with your business needs. Now that you have your job description ready, it's time to take action. Don't be afraid to refine, perfect, and use it as your roadmap in your hiring journey. Remember, this is about finding the right fit for your unique real estate business needs. And once you do, you'll see just how much a real estate virtual assistant can transform your operations. So get started today, and remember, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Empower your real estate business by hiring the right virtual assistant today.